Can I use my old USB headset with Xbox Series?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing whether you can use your old USB headset with the Xbox Series. If you've recently upgraded to the Xbox Series or are considering getting one, you might be wondering if your trusty USB headset will still work. Well, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and find out.
Compatibility of USB headsets with Xbox Series.
When it comes to compatibility, unfortunately, the Xbox Series consoles do not support USB headsets directly. Unlike the previous Xbox One consoles, which had USB ports for connecting peripherals, the Xbox Series consoles have removed this feature. Therefore, if your old headset relies solely on USB connectivity, it won't work when plugged directly into the Xbox Series.
Alternative options for using USB headsets.
While direct USB connection is not supported, there are still alternative options that can allow you to use your old USB headset with the Xbox Series. One such option is to utilize an Xbox-compatible USB audio adapter.
Xbox-compatible USB audio adapter.
To use your USB headset with the Xbox Series, you can purchase an Xbox-compatible USB audio adapter. These adapters usually connect to the Xbox controller's 3.5mm headset jack and provide USB connectivity for your headset. With the adapter, you'll be able to use your old USB headset as long as it's compatible with the adapter specifications. It's important to note that not all USB audio adapters are compatible with Xbox Series consoles. Therefore, when purchasing an adapter, make sure it explicitly states its compatibility with the Xbox Series. Reading user reviews and product descriptions can also provide valuable insights into whether the adapter will work for your specific headset and console.
Other considerations.
Before making a decision, there are a few additional factors to consider. Firstly, the audio quality and features of your old USB headset may not be fully utilized when using an adapter. The adapter might not support all the functionalities provided by your headset, such as surround sound or specific audio enhancements. Keep this in mind when evaluating whether using your old USB headset is the best option for your gaming experience. Additionally, remember to check if your USB headset requires any specific drivers or software to function properly. In some cases, you might need to install additional software or firmware updates to ensure compatibility with the Xbox Series console. While the Xbox Series consoles do not directly support USB headsets, you can still use your old USB headset by utilizing an Xbox-compatible USB audio adapter. These adapters allow you to connect your headset to the Xbox controller's 3.5mm headset jack, providing the necessary USB connectivity. However, keep in mind that not all USB audio adapters are compatible, so make sure to check for compatibility before making a purchase. That's it for today's video. I hope this information has been helpful in answering your question. If you have any more queries, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!